Ish. Welcome. Using list as a stacks. The list method so far makes it easy to use list as a stack where the last element added is the first element being retrieved, which is what's also called LIFO, last in, first out. To add an item to the top of the stack, we use append. To retrieve an item from the top of the stack, we use pop without an explicit index. So let's look at an example. So this is last in, first out. We have 2, 3, 4, 5. If we append 3.14 to the end of it, if we want to remove it, just use the method called pop. That will remove the last item. So that's essentially, you have append to add to the top of the stack, pop to remove it from the top of the stack as well. You can also use list as a queue. It is also possible to use list as a queue where the first element added is the first element retrieved, also what we call first in, first out. However, lists are not efficient for this purpose. So typically, we use a different method. Okay, so to implement a queue, we use collections.deki. Okay, I'm not too sure how you pronounce this, which was designed to have fast appends and pops from both ends. So let's import from collections. We import deck. The name list here is John, Michael, Bruce, and Abby. First in, first out. We deck the name list. Okay, so that FIFO is there, and if we pop left, John pops out, and if we look at the value again, you have that. So you can actually pop right, which Abby will come out. Pop left will be John that comes out. So that's actually a very fast and efficient method for using list as a queue. So with that, I'm going to stop. List comprehension is quite a long topic and a very interesting one though. So we're going to leave that to the next video.